भाई अमरीश अमरीश मुकेश भाई ये तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर
अरे आइए
मतलब मैं खुद चाहूंगा कि मैं दो मिनट आप लोग में
Clearly, we are seeing the images of from Raja Raghuvanshi's residence, where Sonam's brother, after spending the last several days in Meghalaya trying to find his sister and brother-in-law who had gone missing, is now at his sister's in-law's house, at Raja Raghuvanshi's house. He's meeting with the family. He's giving his condolences. He is condoling with the family, and it is very clear that the brother has also said that whoever has done this, whoever has killed his brother-in-law, must be punished severely. It is a very, very emotional, very, very charged situation that we are seeing. The alleged contract killers who've been arrested by the police. The police is making certain statements and allegations saying that it was a planned conspiracy. It was something that was planned, that the entire trip was pre-planned by, allegedly by Sonam.
भाई अमरीश अमरीश मुकेश भाई ये तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर
अरे आइए
मतलब मैं खुद चाहूंगा कि मैं भाई अमरीश अमरीश मुकेश भाई ये तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर
अरे आइए
मतलब मैं खुद चाहूंगा कि मैं भाई अमरीश अमरीश मुकेश भाई ये तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं
अरे आइए
मतलब मैं खुद चाहूंगा कि मैं भाई अमरीश अमरीश मुकेश भाई ये तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं
अरे आइए
My colleague Amritanshi is joining me live on this story. Amritanshi, the police making serious allegations against Sonam, claiming that this entire trip was in fact planned by Sonam because her husband wanted intimacy and she wanted to get rid of him. What exactly is the police saying? What more do we know about the actual investigation in this case, Amritanshi?
So right now we have just got the exclusive photograph of Sonam and Raj Kushwaha together. In the photograph, Sonam is smiling, and the videos of which we have seen during when Sonam was getting married to Raja Raghuvanshi, she was not looking happy at all. Right now I'm present at Sonam's house, but you can see no one is ready here to talk, though Sonam's brother has reached Raja Raghuvanshi's house, but the police has confirmed that Sonam and Raj Kushwaha were in a relationship. This was first confirmed by the Meghalaya police, and then when the dots were connected that Sonam planned a murder conspiracy. Also, she was planning this murder from like last 3 months. After just 3 days of her marriage, she messaged her lover Raj Kushwaha that she was not comfortable that Raja Raghuvanshi was being intimate with her, and that's why she planned to murder Raja Raghuvanshi as soon as possible. Though they were planning this for months, because this marriage, the parents of Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raja Raghuvanshi agreed months before, only because this was an arranged marriage setup. Though it has been alleged by a brother of Raja Raghuvanshi that Sonam's mother already knew about her affair with Raj Kushwaha, and also Sonam threatened her that if she gets married to Raja Raghuvanshi, she will destroy life of Raja Raghuvanshi, and also she will destroy life of other families also. It has been alleged by brother of Raja Raghuvanshi. Though her mother
Saying now
ignored her.
that this was a forced marriage, that she was forced into the marriage, and instead of running away, she decided to kill her husband. Is that what the police is claiming?
Surely, the police is claiming that she got married, and during her marriage, because this was an arranged marriage setup, she also showed she was just foul playing with the police. She did arrange marriage, but she was planning to kill Raja Raghuvanshi from months ago, and this was not a planning of 1 or 2 days. This was a planning of 3 months. From last 3 months, she was planning, and also it has been said by sources that if the plan got fail, because they had planned that they will take Raja Raghuvanshi to Shillong, they will kill Raja Raghuvanshi, and then they will push him into the gorge. But she also said to Raj Kushwaha and other accused that if they fail to kill Raja Raghuvanshi at that time, she will make Raja Raghuvanshi take a picture of her, and then she will push Raja Raghuvanshi into the gorge so that he dies. So Sonam has in her mind from several months after her marriage was decided with Raja Raghuvanshi, she was having this in mind that she had to kill Raja Raghuvanshi, and after that, as family of Raja Raghuvanshi is alleging that she wanted to get married to Raj Kushwaha. She wanted to become a widow after Raja Raghuvanshi was killed, and that's why she wanted to get married to Raj Kushwaha. Though right now the father and mother of Sonam are not talking to anyone. Just a few minutes ago, one of the ladies from Sonam's house came outside, and she said that Raja Raghuvanshi, Sonam Raghuvanshi's father and mother are not well. They are not well. They are very serious in their health is continuously deteriorating, and that's why they are inside the house. They are not talking to any one of them. But still now, because Sonam will be interrogated with all the 4 other accused, Raj Kushwaha and other 3 accused. Also, apart from that, all the 4 accused during the primary investigation has confirmed, they have confessed that they made the plan to kill Raja Raghuvanshi.